How to fix Instagram ads not delivering problem. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram ads not delivering problem. So let's get started. First you have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, after you open Instagram ads, first you have to confirm that your Instagram ID is on professional or business account or not. For that, tap on the menu icon just at the bottom right. From the profile section, tap on three lines just at the top right. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like creator tools and controls. From this section, you can manually confirm that your account type is professional or business, so simply tap on the option switch account type. From here, you can confirm that your account is on professional mode or business account, so you have to just use your business or professional account, and after you use it, you'll be able to fix that problem. If you are still finding that problem on your Instagram ID, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option help. Alright, from the help section, tap on account status, and from the account status section, you'll have to tap on the option features you can't use. And from this section, if you find the error message like you can't use Instagram ads on your account, you'll have to back from here and appeal for that problem why you are not able to use that Instagram ads feature on your account. So for that, back from here and tap on report a problem. From here, as you can tap on report a problem and appeal a request to Instagram support team. As you can also check any violation for your Instagram or not. For that, tap on support request. From this section, tap on violation. And from here, you can easily confirm that if you have any violation on your Instagram ID, you'll not be able to run or deliver ads on your Instagram ID. So if you have any violation, you'll have to also appeal a request to Instagram support team from, as usual, report a problem section. So simply tap on report a problem. And from here, as usual, include and continue. From here, briefly explain your problem like your Instagram ads is not running or delivering on your Instagram ID, as you can also upload the screenshot or media file at the middle screenshot, or upload screenshot or any type of photos from your gallery, and after you provide all of the details and problem, tap on the option send just at the top right, and after you made a request, your problem should be gone from the Instagram support and team. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.